Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you another way you can use halftones directly from Photoshop. So no Illustrator needed for this one. Let's write our text. Let's go with typography. Just write your text. You can write whatever you want. I'm then going to go to Blur, Gaussian Blur, Convert to Smart Object. I'm going to blur it a bit. I'm then going to duplicate it, and I'm going to select my bottom copy, go with the smudge tool that I love. Just click and press OK to rasterize it. And then I'm just going to blur it a little bit. I'm going to do that once more and blur it a bit more. Right, when you're happy with it, I'm going to unlock my background, select all my layers, right click, and merge or convert to smart object. I guess smart objects are always better than rasterizing everything just because you can go back and change stuff. And lastly, I go to filter, pixelate, or however you say that, and color halftone. If your channels are all the same, you're going to get a black and white halftones. If you change these values and play around with them, you can get some color in there as well. Here you can choose the size of your dots, and whenever you're happy with your settings, just press OK. And there you go. How cool is this? So quick and easy, but the result is quite amazing. And as you see, wherever I smudged my text, the dots are going to be smaller and lighter, and where there's most black, they're going to be filled in. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and comment if you have any tutorial requests. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next few days. Bye.